let's make lunch today. I am on intermittent fasting and it's about to do 18 hours. So I thought that let's chit chat. I have not made any weekly videos with my friend, so let's catch up. Today's lunch is steak watermelon with some fox nuts and white pumpkin juice. And just cutting my watermelon and everything is set. This is a low sodium, no carbs, very healthy. You will not feel any lethargy after this kind of a lunch, and overall you will feel very positive. So let's put our watermelon in this skillet. I have kept the green part as well. Let's put some small lengths. You can also do as an evening snack or like snacking while you're doing your Netflix. It's a healthy way of eating your fruits with some kind of a pizzazz to it. Let me show you. In another pan, we are taking 1 teaspoon of, a bit more than 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. And I have hypothyroidism, and coconut oil is considered to be good for thyroid patients. You can use whatever oil is prescribed as per your health conditions. So these are fox nuts, and you can eat like this. It tastes like a popcorn without any salt or butter. So I am just putting a bunch full of fox nut and just roasting it in the coconut oil. So our lunch is ready. We have white pumpkin juice, we have watermelon steaks, we have fox nuts, and we have some coconut, raw coconut. And these are our watermelon steaks. We are using Tajin Seasoning to just spice up this Tuesday afternoon. So, cheers. Enjoy. Hope you are enjoying your Tuesday. Let's dig in and eat our watermelon steaks. I will pick this one. Not that much, but the seasoning is the magic. Hope you like this cooking video. This is the first of many to come on this channel. Do hit the like, share and subscribe button, and see you soon again. Good night. Bye-bye.